the rose of Sharon and the lily of the valley.
I am the rose of Sharon and the lily of the valley.
As the lily among the thorns, so is my love among the daughters.
As the apple tree among the trees of the wood, so is my beloved among the sons. So is my beloved among the sons.
I sat down
under his shadow with great delight, and his fruit
was sweet to my taste.
and his fruit was sweet to my taste.
He brought me to the banqueting house, his banner over me was love.
He brought me to the banqueting house, his banner over me was love.
Save me with flannel,
Comfort me with apples, for I am sick.
for I am sick.
For I am sick of love. I charge you, O ye daughters of Jerusalem, by the roes and by the vines of the field,
That you stir not up,
that you stir not up,
That you stir